KoogluPooglu. So this is what I got for the holiday season, or I should say Christmas. It's a gift which I really love. It's called a BookNook and Wonderland by Rolife. It's gonna take a lot of time to build. It's a DIY. It's 14 plus, but I can handle things like that. It has 194 pieces, and it has an LED light. Sick! But warning, it's a choking hazard for small parts that are given to kids under 3 years old. Just kind of dangerous if you did that. And you don't need any glue or tools. The assembly level is 3 out of 5 stars. Notice, the product requires two AAA batteries, and the assemble size is 200 by 115 by 220 millimeters. And it's supposed to go in your bookshelf. So let's open it. So here we got the pieces. Ooh, that's a lot. Then we got the manual book, which looks pretty easy to assemble. Then we got some parts with a screwdriver, some tape. Yeah, that's a roll of tape. Or it's light, who knows? And there we have our batteries for the drive. And a little chair. Woo! Finally! After 1.5 days, because I paused the video a bunch of times, I put in cuts. Finally, it's done. All that's left is to put the batteries and the grand opening. So, I'm gonna do that honor with you guys. Here we got the back. Open that, whoops. The stairs came up. I'll fix that. There we go. Then we have the battery box. Give me 1 minute. We're gonna need AAA batteries, 2 of them. Overall, it's a good build. Takes a lot of time and patience. It has a lot of tiny pieces, as you can see inside right now. And yeah, you gotta have a good amount of patience, because when I was building this, I crashed out a few times. So you gotta have a good amount of patience. And surprisingly, the thing after you're done building it, it's really rewarding, especially the light. Boop. There it is. Doesn't that look awesome?
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.